Hey whales, good morning. Happy Thursday. It's June the 12th. Let's recap the markets and go over Nvidia for today. And so with that said, let's jump into Nvidia. So for Nvidia, guys, now I am remaining cautiously bullish here. The reason why I say cautiously is because there are some early warning signs that are starting to take into effect where we are starting to get some bearish divergences forming across different instruments. So for instance, for the S&P 500, right? We're still grinding higher. However, we did take this high, and you can see on the daily time frame here, right? This looks like a wave 3. Possible wave 5 is in if we cannot break higher on the S&P. So we just got to be a little bit careful in terms of over risking, especially at these levels, guys. All right. So for me, how am I going to be playing this? I'm only going to take 1 or 2 trades per day. I'm not over trading. I'll look for dips to buy on the 1 minute, 5 minute time frames, right? To keep pushing the markets higher because we are still in a bullish structure. I mean, this is still incredibly bullish in my opinion. However, do expect if we do get a larger drop, a blue 4 to be put in place. Okay, so at any moment, we could have a 3 that gets put in place for a blue 4. Now, we can't time a top. We don't know how a top's going to look like. But, you know, just the roadmap overall gives me that sort of idea to not over risk, to play it a little bit more safer, but ultimately stay cautiously bullish and keep going with the trend in terms of my day trades, right? I'm only looking for longs across Nvidia at this point. So you can see from the count, from the lows, 1, 2 in blue, 3, 4, still working on a series of 3s, 4s, and 5s across these levels. Finish off all of a wave 1. And, you know, we're trying to see if Nvidia can actually break above the all-time highs. I think it has a good chance, right? All eyes are on breaking all-time highs, so let's see. And then once we do, most likely a pullback's going to occur for a wave 2. We'll find support, and then ultimately, again, still going and trekking higher to 160, 170, 180, etc., etc. You can see my overall target for Nvidia from the swing lows to the swing highs as well. 168 is that main level that I'm looking at, right? So this wave 1, wave 5 can actually come all the way up to 168. So we don't know yet, right? But that's sort of what I'm looking at. So I'll keep you guys updated every single day. As long as sort of Nvidia can hold this main pivot, guys, the red 4 or even the black 4, it's still bullish against these pivots. So you can buy against these lows, use these lows as, you know, your main starting points for fib retracements, for extensions, etc., etc. So use those pivots, and we're going to make a lot of money across Nvidia. We'll have a few day trades for Nvidia coming up for today as well. So I look forward to seeing you. And yeah, the link is in the bio once again. Talk to you soon and have a great rest of your Thursday. See ya.